Hello, I have been having a lot of trouble with the testing authentication, WebAuthn, and it's been a bit of a pain, so I'm kind of tired of it not working, for me at least. So I would like to figure out how to get this working so that I can move on to other things. So this video is actually, or this live stream is actually just kind of like a video recording for some of the folks who work on WebAuthn stuff to hopefully see if there's a way that I can get some help, because I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. So to take a look at this, I've got a test that runs against the WebAuthn.io site, which allows you to register WebAuthn and then log in. The whole process works just fine, no problems at all there. But when I try to do it on my own site, on the Epic Stack, then it fails. So I am able to successfully create a user account, log in, and register. We don't allow registration for an account with passkey only. You have to register with an email first, and then you confirm your email, then you onboard and all of that stuff. And then you can go into your, I can actually just go through this. So you go into the passkey page, you register a new passkey, that gets you a security key. So all of that is working just fine. And then here we have, I verify that one credential has been made in our fake authenticator for the Playwright browser. And then we go into, or we log out. Then we go to the login page. We click on the login with the passkey right here, and then we end up with this. Is this going to zoom for me? Yeah. Failed to authenticate with passkey. The operation either timed out or is not allowed. See this page. And if we go to this page, then it's talking about, oh, no period though. Whoops. There we go. Then here it's talking about the ceremony protection thing, which I'm like I sort of understand what this is all about. But yeah, it has something to do with, it sounds kind of like a timing attack or something. But anyway, yeah, that kind of makes sense because we're responding way faster than a user could possibly respond. And so that's kind of where I was stuck, like thinking, oh, well, maybe you just kind of stuck with that error. But this one works. And it's like this, it's just as fast, it's the same. So as far as the code is concerned for this, it's actually pretty simple. We create a CDP, that's the Chrome DevTools, what's it called? Chrome DevTools protocol. And that allows us to enable WebAuthn and add a virtual authenticator. We get our authenticator ID with these options. I've tried it with a variety of different options. These ones work really well, but like other ones work just as well. With this, I've changed a bunch of these, and pretty much the most important thing is user verified and automatic presence simulation. Those are really important. And then the protocol, like I've changed the transport to a couple things. They all seem to work. Has resident key, doesn't actually seem to matter. I'm not even sure what that is. But yeah, anyway, I'm using these options. We go to WebAuthn.io, we fill in our test user and stuff, and then we register, we get success. We verify we have one passkey, and then we're waiting for a credential to be asserted. We click the authenticated button, we wait for that assertion to happen, which it does at that point, and then we're successfully logged in. And because we have automatic presence simulation, then that's like saying, yeah, this is me, like approving that authenticator, I guess. So I do something very similar, though there's quite a bit more involved with the Epic Stack. We have the exact same options here for setup WebAuthn. We have a user already set up for us in the database with this line. Then we get our client and our authenticator ID. We verify that there are no authenticator keys. We go to the passkeys page. We're going to wait for the passkey registration to finish. And so we click on register new passkey. That finishes, and we verify it shows up in the UI. All of that works just fine. And then we verify we have one passkey there. Then we log out. We go to login. We're going to check on the sign count. I don't actually think that's all that important. I'll just ignore that for now. We'll just deal with that later. But we don't even get to that assertion anyway. So yeah, then we're gonna wait for a credential to be asserted. So we click on the button, and then I also happen to know that we are going to get an error. So I add this check here, and then we just wait to see which one happens first. If I get rid of this error stuff, then we can just say, hey, let me know when the credential is asserted. Then click on the button, and then the credential will be asserted. That's what should happen, but that is not what happens. It just decides that, nope, I'm going to error out on you, and you're going to be sad about it. And that just got me really sad. So yeah, right there. There it is. Failed to authenticate. Because it was too fast or something. I don't know. I'm not sure what it is. Something to do with this error, but I'm not sure why it doesn't happen on the WebAuthn.io site. And it's really starting to get on my nerves, so I'd love some help with that. And that is it. So I'm going to grab a link to this live stream. Come on. There we go. Been on the WebAuthn.io site. And it's really starting to get on my nerves. So and then I'm going to go over to let's see. There's like this guy right here, Matthew Miller. He's the one that I want to reach. And there are a number of GitHub repos that I could reach out to about this. No, I don't want to authenticate. Thank you anyway. Another repo, passkeys.dev, and we can go over here. Yeah, they're like, I don't know, it might just be easiest to reach out to this individual on X. Their posts are protected, and so I'm not sure how active. That looks like an elephant, so maybe Mastodon is their preferred location. Is this a Mastodon server? Yeah, it looks like it. Very active over there. Where's the date that these things are posted? Yeah, okay, not super active. Probably most active on GitHub. So I'm going to go find this person on GitHub. Yeah. Well, I'm using the simple WebAuthn. Yeah, there we go. We'll go to this project and open an issue about testing. I use this one. So library general, probably general question. Yeah. Troubleshooting. Here we go. Testing WebAuthn with simple WebAuthn. Yeah, with Playwright. Hello. Let's see. Hi there, Master Kale. Thank you so much for all the awesome things that you're doing for the web authentication spec and libraries surrounding it. Really, totally love this stuff. I'm just having a problem with automated testing, and to make this report as useful as possible, I have recorded the problem in a live stream to demonstrate exactly the issue. It's at the start of this live stream here. It's just about 6 minutes long. Well, what I am demoing is just in the first 6 minutes, because the video is already longer. It's like 9 minutes now. The code for the passing test is here. And Matthew, or Matt, not sure whether they prefer to be called Matthew or Matt, but wrote the WebAuthn.io code, so that should be familiar. The code for the failing test is here. And we're going to bring this back because I like that. And yeah, we'll bring that back. May as well. Okay, high-tech Jeff. Okay, I just think that this is funny, so I'm going to show everybody the chats. I normally pop out the chat here. Come on, where are you at? High-tech Jeff over here saying, none of us know how to test. Do you use Streamlabs to live stream or OBS or something else? I use Streamlabs, and it's great. High-tech Jeff, I don't know who you are, but I kind of feel like I know how to test. Like I'm pretty okay at it. But if you think that you know better, then I would absolutely love your feedback and ideas on how we can actually solve this problem, because it's been a big pain for me. And we're going to get rid of this test because it's irrelevant for what we're doing here. The code for the app we're running can be found here. And we're going to actually commit this, push it to... I put it on the dev branch because I actually tried to deploy this to staging and tried and succeeded. And like ran a test against the staging environment because I thought, oh, maybe it's an HTTPS thing or something. Or like, I don't know, maybe it just doesn't work on localhost or something like that. And found that I had the same result, no change. So that is just too bad. We'll do tests for passkey examples. I don't know. Example, yeah, sure, that works. Yeah, definitely need to get better at testing. This is weird. Oh, right. Get push. There we go. Okay. And thank you so much for your help. I'm very stuck. Actually, you know what? The relevant bits can be found here. And probably just a diff between this and main. I'm in the process of adding WebAuthn support to that repo. So this is a diff between what's currently running and what I added to support WebAuthn. Okay, there we go. We'll go with that. Okay, thank you very much. Hopefully we can figure out what's going on with this. I'm also going to go over here to the Discord to Playwright. Here we are. I opened up a discussion on a simple WebAuthn. And there we go. In case it's useful for anybody. And yeah, that should be good. Okay, thanks everybody. This is great. I gotta take my son to gymnastics now, so I'll see you all in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully we get this solved very soon. Bye.